Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing the pressing need to equip the Indonesian workforce with the skills and training necessary to succeed in a rapidly changing world. As Indonesia continues to grow and develop its economy, it is crucial to ensure that its workforce can compete in a global economy. Many businesses and policymakers are working with educational institutions to develop programs that provide Indonesian workers with the skills they need to thrive. One of the key challenges facing Indonesian workers is the need to adapt to the changing nature of work in the 21st century. Many traditional industries are being disrupted by new technologies and business models, and workers who lack the skills to compete in this new environment risk being left behind. Industries such as manufacturing, where automation and other advances are transforming the way work is done, are particularly affected. To address this challenge, businesses and educational institutions are working together to develop programs that provide workers with the skills they need to succeed in a global economy. These programs might involve developing courses or training programs that teach workers the latest technological skills or provide mentoring and support as workers transition to new careers or industries. The key benefit of these programs is that they help create a more level playing field for Indonesian workers. By providing workers with the skills and training they need to compete in a global economy, these programs can reduce inequality and create opportunities for workers from all backgrounds to succeed. This is particularly important in Indonesia, where access to education and training has been limited for many workers historically. Another benefit of these programs is that they help attract more businesses and investors to Indonesia. When companies see that there is a skilled and educated workforce available, they are more likely to invest in the country and set up operations there. This can help create jobs and stimulate economic growth, which can have a positive impact on the entire country. However, there are challenges to implementing these programs as well. The need to ensure that they are accessible to all workers, regardless of their background or socioeconomic status, is crucial. This may involve developing programs specifically designed for low-income or marginalized workers or providing financial support to help workers access these programs. Despite these challenges, investing in the workforce can help create a more level playing field for Indonesian workers, attract more businesses and investment to the country, and ensure that Indonesia is well positioned to compete in a rapidly changing world. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more video. Thanks for watching.